Think of summer, lots of things come to mind. Swimming pools, barbecues, and bugs.
Well, we're coming into the summer months. What are some of the most common summer bugs that people are going to see from coast to coast?
The most common summer bugs for sure are ants, spiders, crickets, and cockroaches.
I invited Ben McAvoy, founder of Insect Tech Pest Solutions, to come check out my new renovation project to show me some common spots around the home that summer bugs love to target, and how to prevent infestation. First, the kitchen, which is a favorite spot for
Number one are interior roaches like German cockroaches. They're the little ones that are looking for food, shelter, and they reproduce at very high rates. And so this kitchen environment gives them a really, really good habitat for that.
And would they be under the sink?
Absolutely.
Ben says to look for any gaps around the pipes or cracks in the wall, and if you do find any, it's an easy DIY fix.
You just want to use some silicone caulking and easily fill those cracks.
He says you can also use that foaming filler you can find at the hardware store if gaps are too big or if you find any hole.
Most bugs do not need a lot of room to fit through to get inside your home. In some cases, think as thin as a credit card.
Next, check your entryways, which can be inviting to spiders and crickets. And we all know how annoying those ninja cricket chirps can be.
Jimmy, I wanted to show you the gaps that you have around the door here, especially the one on the ground. So one thing that I wanted to recommend is either adjusting a door threshold that many homes have, or getting some weather stripping where you can put right inside these gaps. I mean, right here, if you can see the light, then it needs to be filled.
Another place bugs love to target is the bathroom. And it just so happens I had a major ant problem in mine.
If there's a moisture source, bugs are going to be attracted to that area. This right here is a great example of an ant infestation.
Yeah.
Them coming in looking for water.
For ants, he recommends calling the pros. The over-the-counter spray that I tried only works temporarily, and then they return, or worse.
Sometimes it can act like gas on a fire, where the ants actually spread to different parts of the home and create new colonies.
He says hiring a professional for ants is important because they can treat the insides of the walls of your home, which is a bit much for a DIY project.
A lot of bugs are living inside the wall voids in many cases. When you see ants that come into your home, a lot of times they are not coming from directly outside the home. They've already been living inside your home.
We're learning how to keep those pesky summer pests outside where they belong.